Now I'm going to talk briefly on what's called white space. So white space is basically any space that's left white or blank. So we can go right here and add extra lines, we can put some extra spaces, we can make tab spaces by pressing tab. Let's see what happens when we open it in our browser. I'm going to save the document by pressing Ctrl S on Mac, that would be Command S. Then coming back to the browser, we can see that nothing happened. And that's because of the way that browsers render whitespace. Basically, when you're just typing plain text into an HTML document, all browsers display any type and any amount of whitespace as a single space. So whether you have one space or 1,000 lines of blank code, every browser will display it as a single space. Now I want to stop for a minute and explain something. I'm using Google Chrome. That's my preference. There are 5 major browsers. They're Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Opera. One of the things that I don't talk much about in this course, but I cover in the intermediate course, is what's called cross-browser compatibility. What happens is that each of these 5 browsers displays a website differently. They are each made by a different company, which has decided to treat the same content in different ways. When you do very simple things, like what I show in this tutorial, it won't matter. A basic website, like the one we're making here, will display the same in every browser. But as we get more advanced, you'll notice that things just look different, and you'll need to make special code to deal with those differences. So again, in this tutorial, we don't need to worry about that. But to make more complex websites, like the ones I show in the intermediate course, you'll need to know how to do this. But enough on that. I'll see you in the next video.